Welcome guys, today I'm with the SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV and I'm going to show you a few camera tips. So the first, when we are in the basic mode, you can select this mode right here. You can find few features and the first one will be linked with the volume buttons right here. So when you click volume up, you can smoothly zoom in to the 3 times. You can go forward by tapping right here on another preset, and then you can still use the volume button to go even to the 15 times zoom. And as you can see, the quality of the zoom is really good. That's a lot of details, and also there's good stabilization. To zoom out, you have to press the volume down button, and right now we can smoothly go for the 3 times and we can switch to the 1 time. Of course, you can still use the zoom by pinching the screen with your 2 fingers, but as you can see, if you want to go forward, you have to switch manually to another lens. And of course, you can simply go between all these 3 lenses that you can find in this phone. Another tip will be about this button. And so as you can see right here, we can change the temperature of the photo by using this slider. If you want to reset the parameter, tap right here, and also that's another one. So here we can adjust the brightness level, and we can also reset. Another option will be right here, it's called the drive mode. Of course, we can enable here the camera timer between 3 or 10 seconds. And after this time, the photo will be taken. Right here, we can also find the series of the photo mode. So when you click and hold this shutter, the phone will take a lot of photos. And for sure, we can find them right here in the gallery. That's how it looks. Right now, I'm gonna turn it off because honestly, I don't need this feature. So that was that from this option, but right now we can go simply for the settings, where we can find other interesting options. Like for example, now we can scroll down and we can change option called touch to adjust, so we can get the focus and the brightness. And as you can see right now, we can also adjust the brightness by tapping on the screen. As you can see, it happens automatically. When you go for the menu one more time, right here we can enable the grid lines. They help us to take better composition of the photos, and also we can adjust the volume buttons function. We can use them as zoom, but also as a shutter. Take a look. Right now, when I press on the volume up or down, you will be able to take photo, but also we got this camera dedicate button to take photos. So I guess the best option is to set up the volume buttons as the zoom feature. So that's all my few tips for this camera and the SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. If you find this video helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe.